Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.